Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable autoplay videos and live photos on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Photos. So tap on Photos, and on the next screen, go down and tap on autoplay videos and live photos. Now at the moment it is turned off, so if I tap on it, it will turn on. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if I open up my Photos application, you can see here if I open up the video, it will automatically play in a preview with the audio switch off. Now if I switch it off, if I go back to my Photos album, and if I now open up the video, it will not autoplay until I tap on the play button. And that's it. So that's how you can turn autoplay videos and live photos on or off on the iPhone 13 series. That's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.